Alright, so I'm going to explain what you guys are going to be doing in math today. So like I said in the overview, you are preparing for a test this week. You're actually going to take 2 days to take that test, so it shouldn't be this crazy thing. So today and tomorrow we're going to do some reviewing to prepare you for that test, okay? So today you're going to be in your math book on page 263. You're only going to be doing problems 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay, so it's about 15 problems, a little less, but it shouldn't take you longer than 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go over each one. So for number 2, you're going to do A, B, and C. All three of these are adding the compound measures. Okay, remember you have to once you add them up, you have to simplify it to lowest terms. Okay, so look at A for me. It says 5 hours, 12 minutes, 9 hours, 34 minutes, and then 11 hours and 29 minutes. Okay, so first you add up the minutes. When you add those up, it gives you 75 minutes, and then you add up the hours, and that gives you 25. Okay, so you have 25 hours and 75 minutes. The thing is, you can't have 75 minutes. You can convert that into an hour. So then you ask yourself, how many minutes are in an hour? How many? 60. Good. So you're going to take 60 away, and then you have to give that hour to the 25. So 75 minus 60 is 15, and then you have to give that extra hour to the 25. So it becomes 26 hours and 15 minutes. Okay. So you're going to do the same thing for B and C. For 3, you're going to be subtracting and the compound measures again. The thing is, when you're subtracting, you cannot have a smaller number up top. Okay, so you're going to have to borrow. So look at A. It says 3 hours, 12 minutes minus 1 hour and 57 minutes. So you're going to do 12 minus 57. Oh wait, you can't do that. So you have to borrow. So that 3 hours becomes 2 hours, and then you have to give it minutes. So it would be 60 minutes, so 12 plus 60 is 72. So then you do 72 minus 57. That gives you 15 minutes, and then 2 hours minus 1 hour gives you 1 hour. Okay? And then so you'll do that for B and C. And then for 4A, you're just multiplying 4 feet 9 inches times 7. So 9 times 7 is 63, and then 4 times 7 is 28. Okay? So with 63 inches, you have to ask yourself how many feet. Yeah, how many inches are in one? Nope. How many feet are in the 63? So the way that you're going to do that is, sorry, I'm trying to video and write at the same time. So you're going to divide your 63 into 12. You ask yourself, how many times can 12 go into 63? That's 5. So 5 times 12 is 60. Subtract, and you have 3. I don't think y'all can see that. And so then you have 3 inches left over. Okay? So, again, what I did, we had 63 inches. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. So I did 63 divided by 12. Okay? 12 can go into 63 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60. And then when you subtract that, you have 3 inches left over. Okay? So that becomes 5 feet, 3 inches. But you have to give it to the 28. So then it becomes 33 feet and 3 inches. That's the answer for A. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing for B and C. And then the last problem that you're going to do is 6. It says find the area, and then look at the end. It says if necessary, round to the nearest hundredths. Okay, so A, triangle, you need to figure out, you should know this, but in case you don't, the formula is A equals 1/2 B times H. So you're going to multiply 1/2 times 6 times 9 and get your answer. B is a square, so the formula for a square is S squared. So you'll do 8 1/4 squared, or 8 1/4 times 8 1/4. And then the rectangle for an area is length times width. So you would do 6.5 times 4.9. It's nice and hot at the beach. Relaxing, you know. I hope, go get you a little popsicle while you're doing your work. I hope that you guys have a great session in math, and if you have any questions, please let me know, because remember, you do have a test coming up, so we need to make sure that you are fully prepared for that, which I know you guys will be. I hope y'all have a great day.